Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Jakdojade public transport app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So updating the application to the latest version is very important to access more features and for smoother performance. So if you want to do that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in Jakdojade public transport app. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on the application Jakdojade Public Transport. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and update. In my case, I'm being able to see the open option because my application is already updated. If you see the option for update, all you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. So that is how you update Jakdojade public transport app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.